All right, 6:30 a.m. The Uber's here. I'm heading out off to Nashville, Tennessee. Through security, now for the most important thing, Starbucks. Now a change of flight at SFO. Then on to Nashville, and 20 degrees. It turns out there's a Centurion lounge here, so we're heading there right now. Alright, here we are, we're getting into the lounge right now. What am I doing in Nashville? I'm heading up to Nashville for Imaging USA. It's a PPA conference. I'm going to be speaking a couple of times on drones and different things. So anyway, here's the lounge. About 30 minutes, I'm gonna head over to the gate for my flight. Unfortunately, it's right downstairs. Gate's right here, so we should be good. Welcome to Nashville. I'm going to be doing a talk about how people can use their drones for photography and different ways of taking photos and videos, and also how to process them, doing HDRs, panoramas, different things like that. It'll be fun. And also they got a cage, and I'm going to be in the cage each day doing a little talk and flying, doing a little demos. I have my Mavic with me. Out there on the balcony, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to the convention, get badged up, and get ready to start. So it looks like I missed registration by 3 minutes, but the good thing is there's a separate speakers room where I can go and pick my badge up, so I don't have to stand in the line in the morning. Good morning, everybody. So today is Sunday. It's Sunday today, day 2. I arrived yesterday, and I've got a talk today, so I'm gonna have to head down over there and get my badge. Just have a little look around here. It's really interesting because this place is like this big giant biosphere kind of thing. You know, man, I really love to fly my drone around in here, but there's no way they're gonna let me do it. But looking outside, I think that's something we should try and figure out. So I wonder what this looks like from outside. All right, let's see how this goes. that's a wrap. It looks like it can handle cold temperatures. This is my badge. I have 2 badges, apparently. And it takes massive skills to do it, so she's doing it for me. And goodies. What's in here? I'm trying to open up one here. It's now become an unboxing video.
Should we do a grand reveal?
Okay, here we go. Oh, cool! A little iPhone tripod?
Yes.
Little baby to the one I got on here.
Oh, yes, nice to meet you.
I recognize you.
Yeah, I think you were in the drone zone for us last year. Yeah.
Okay.
You again this year. So he's doubling. He's wearing 2 hats.
Again this year, yeah.
And he just filmed with us for PPA EDU back in, what, September? October?
Yeah, just recently.
Yeah.
When was I out there? I saw Eddie out there. She took me to his barbecue joint.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Angela and Leanne. Woo!
Hi, guys. Welcome to Nashville.
Hi. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's empty with no people. And this is what it looks like when there's people in here. Smallest fully functional camera. Not really functional.
No, not really.
So this is
A little lens cap.
One step. Hey! What's up, dude? Good to see you.
how much do you guys do here?
Right here. We are Magmon.
The internet, you can see right now that little cloud. And then focus if you want.
That was good.
Say
You are a
that part.
professional wrestler.
Nope, I am a carpenter and a plumber.
You know my camera was rolling already, guys.
That's a really old
Alright, so here we have the
It's our
Fuji
logo.
GFX.
We graduated.
And this is a medium format digital camera.
It's the
Look
only
at this
thing I
back
got
on.
my Sharpie marker, but we do have two pens. I don't know where tight mouth. Okay, and now
You take any tripod head, and we have a nice big Really Right Stuff BH55 mounted over here, but with no tools whatsoever, you just simply spin this on to the platypod, lock it in place as tight as you want. We've tested this to 300 pounds, which you'll never use. And then you put it on any surface, from the ground to a table to, you can strap it on to
Well, it was nice of the platypod guy. He just gave me a bunch of stuff here. So expect a review soon. Where are you going?
to go learn. I'm gonna go take a class. Come on, we've got a class starting. Come on.
That is Joel.
Hey, how you doing?
This is Joe Graham.
How you doing?
And this is Eddie Tech.
I'm gonna be like him one day. I'm gonna be like him every day.
Drone
The
Zone.
drone zone.
What are we doing at the Drone Zone?
We're going to do some flying.
You guys will rotate.
Enable obstacle avoidance. So there you go. I'm sorry you missed that one. That was a great crash too. You got the tangle right here.
Okay. All right, so let's see if I've got the necessary skills to crash it like as good as Eddie Tech can.
See if you can crash as good as I did.
So you're in sport mode, Eddie?
Go into sport mode.
Okay, I'm in sport mode now. Look how fast it's spinning. Look how fast it goes up and down. is in sport mode, I'm not kidding. Yeah. We're close to the crash.
Okay, well that's what I did when I crashed.
Somebody to make it crash. Not in sport mode. So I guess I don't have the skills of Eddie Tap. Like, he was able to get it in here and just make it suspend in midair, and that way you can stay airborne without using any batteries at all. Guys, my white balance is not out. Eddie really is this red. Clearance, you want to be away from big chunks. So I'm actually a long, long way away from these guys shooting. You can turn off the satellite, but you don't want to go in sport mode. What's that? What do you got there?
Oh, I got Colin right here in front of me. I'm excited.
So that's all right. Okay, so I'm going to be speaking in there in an hour. So anyway, guys, so my talk is over. Went really well. As you can hear, my voice is pretty hoarse. It's probably going to be like this or getting worse for the rest of the show. And that's what happens, you know, talking in a big, massive room. Now I'm going to grab some dinner. Bye-bye to the Gaylord. Up we land.